Because of these two wars, because of these two consecutive wars, and because of some financial crisis, our administrators could not plan for the next 5 years. So our planners decided to give some holiday to planning. That means they wanted some break in between. So they declared a planned holiday for the years 1966 to 1969. Though we have declared holiday for 5-year planning, we could not run our country without planning at all. So we adopted an alternative method called annual plans, which means the plans will be planned annually from 1966 to 1967 and 1967 to 1968 and 1968 to 1969. So our plans will be planned annually, and priority was given to agriculture and its allied sectors and the industrial sector also. Of course, we won't give these two sectors. We won't give up on these two sectors because we believe that by developing these two sectors, Indian economy will develop in a very stronger way. So we are always giving priority to these two sectors. Another important point to note is genetically modified seeds or genetically modified crops were introduced in this time. Genetically modified crops or genetically modified seeds were introduced in this time. This is introduced into our market because to overcome the shortcomings of the traditional seed variety. See, this traditional seed variety wants a lot of water, and it is actually not resistant to pests in the sense to the rodents like rats and to the insects. So because of these reasons, farmers could not make much profit out of these traditional crops. Already the population of India is very high, so we need to produce lot of food to make people feed. This is on one side, and on the other side, because of the wastage of crops due to some climatic condition or due to some pest, the profit of farmers is going down, which is another danger to the economy. So in order to overcome these two, our planners have adopted the genetically modified seeds or the genetically modified crops. So this enhanced the production. The production enhanced the income of the farmers. So everything contributed to the development of the nation. So the next comes the fourth 5-year plan. Now our planners are ready for the next 5-year plan. So this is running from 1969 to 1974. For the first time, Indira Gandhi has become Prime Minister of India. So under her governance, this fourth 5-year plan comes for first time. So in this, what happens is the objectives are two actually. There are two objectives. One is growth with stability. The other one is self-reliance. See, the self-reliance is the term which is repeating, and progressive achievement. Yeah, progressive achievement of self-reliance. So growth with stability. What is growth with stability? We have to grow stably, in a stable manner. We should not grow like this, because this growth is good, but this recession is definitely not good. Recession is a slow performing economy. Slow performing economy is generally called as recession. So this recession is definitely not good for an economy, and we don't want this. Our economy should slowly and steadily develop. We can face a little shortcomings, but still our economy wants to grow with stability. So that is our main objective. And another objective was self-reliance. Of course, self-reliance is our main objective because this is the objective proposed by our Gandhiji. So always Congress government gives a great importance to this word self-reliance. But unfortunately, the plan has failed. It could reach only 3.3% of growth instead of the target 5.7%. So the fourth 5-year plan was a failure 5-year plan. The next comes the fifth 5-year plan, which is the second term for Indira Gandhi government. But in this time, from 1974 to 1979, Indira Gandhi have performed very good and this plan have become very successful. Instead of the target 4.4, we have reached 4.8% growth. The importance was given as usual to the agriculture and industry, but mining sector was also given an equal importance in this 5-year plan model. This is the speciality of this fifth 5-year plan. Mining sectors has got its mining sectors have got its importance to perform. So the draft of this plan was prepared and launched by D.P. Dar. The plan was terminated in 1978. See, the plan was actually from 1974 to 1979, but unfortunately on 1978 the plan was terminated. That is, the plan was withdrawn. And the reason is the change of government. For the first time, Janata government came to power and it scrapped the plans done by the preceding Congress government.